I was asked to recommend a good kids tablet with good storage and can handle basic apps, but also within a certain budget range, and this tablet seemed to check all the boxes. When this lady asked me about the storage, I couldn't tell her what was written, 512 gig. I just told her that it is 128 because that storage seemed to be far-fetched because of the price, right? But I recommended this Zentality tablet because Zentality now has a presence in Nigeria and their products come with warranty. So we're opening this tablet to see what it comes with and see if it is actually good for the price. So stay with me. Okay, this is cool. This is cute. It's cute and cool. It's a kid's tablet. Where's the power button? Power button. And then this customer of mine asked me to download some apps, some videos in this tab. Before we go on to download, let's see what it comes with. These stickers. Okay, so it's not one of those tablets that come with very, very plenty gifts that kind of distracts you from quality. Charger. That's all. Just charger and eyeglass. Checking the storage, I see that it is actually 512 gig in the storage. Well, what do we make out of that? I don't know. And then for camera, I was not expecting anything much. It is just basic. So we're back. And wow, I was able to download some apps. This what, piano, Ludo, and stuffs like that. So the tab actually came with some good apps, learning vegetables, living room, and all of that, which is nice. I just had to download a few of these apps. So I'm checking to see if they work well with the tab. What is okay? So this app is nice. My kids use it, and so I'm testing these apps because there are so many of these tablets. One, apps will not be able to be downloaded in it, and some of them, if they eventually download, they will not be able to open. They will not open well. So that is why we are trying to test and see if they actually open, because I was specifically asked for this app. This one works well. The volume button is here. I'll take it up a little bit. That is okay.
Today we're learning the ASL alphabet, and to review, if you're on a computer, if you click on any of these boxes around the
So after updating it from Play Store, hopefully, please, I beg you, she specifically asked for this word, so thank you. Thank you. Play. Great. So this is nice. Okay, even if I've done nothing, I've done this. So this tablet goes for as low as 60,000 naira in the market today. And after reviewing the tablet, I must say that Zentality, they tried with this one. I was a little bit disappointed with the pouch because I thought it was going to be the removable rubber pouch that covers the face of the screen so that if it falls, the screen will not touch the ground. But I believe this screen is durable enough and it will not break easily. Please share your thoughts and concerns with me in the comment section, and do well to subscribe. Bye.